Good morning, class 8 student. It's the part 4, chapter 6 science, reasons for loss of biodiversity. As we see what is biodiversity and what is importance to us. So here we read that what are the reasons why the diversity getting lost. So the earth's biodiversity is in danger. Means the biodiversity is in danger. Okay, why? Because it getting lost to concern to the whole world. Biodiversity is in the danger and is caused to concern to the whole world. It in the present era means as we talk about the present time, human interference has resulted in loss of biodiversity to a great extent. Means the human activity like it killing the animals, it cutting down the trees, these adverse so bad effect on the biodiversity. So there are some points by which biodiversity getting lost. First is that the habitat destruction. Habitat destruction means habitat is a living place where the particular animals or plants are live. That is known as the habitat. While we destruct it, while we destroy that living place, then obviously the biodiversity getting lost because they don't have the original place where they live actually. So habitat destruction is one of the main causes. It is caused by deforestation, overpopulation. Why the home destruction done? Because of the deforestation, means cutting down of the trees in a large amount. Overpopulation, as the generation is increases and population will also increases. The pollution of air means polluted air, water and soil. Polluted air, polluted water and the polluted soil also destroy so many organisms. And global warming. Global warming, we know that the raise or the rising in the temperature to a higher extent leads to the global warming. So species which are living in the forest, in the ocean and are in the soil also, they are affected by the habitat destruction. Okay, they are affected. Second is the invasive species. What are invasive species? Means those species are new for that particular place. For example, there is a pond. In this pond, few rohu fish are lived. Now what happened? By the migration, some other variety of fishes and other sea creatures are going to live there. So they harm them, that which is already live in that place. So invasive species means new species that are not native, that are not the native to that region. Means the person which is not from that particular place. For example, we live in the India. We are native as an Indian. We native as an Indian. And while any American came here, it's considered as an invasive. Clear? What is invasive? So these invasive species are introduced to a particular region which can cause harm to native organisms in that ecosystem. Okay. Means in a particular system the organism are live, it is native, means it is their hometown, but the other which are come, they affected them because as they use all the things or the resources which are available. Okay. The third thing is the poaching animals for their body parts such as skin, fur, bones and horns. We know this thing that these things like skin of the animals, fur, bones and their horns are used to make some materials which are used by the human being. these all body parts taken from the animals is known the poaching, and this poaching process make animals vulnerable. Vulnerable means the weak. This all poaching process make the animals weak physically as well as the emotionally. Okay, and can result in extinction of certain species, and by this some of the species going to be extinct or some extinct. The next reason is that the monoculture. Mono means one. Mono means one. So what is monoculture? Means what the some persons done that for their commercial gain, for their economical benefit, what they do, they grow only one type of or the one kind of the plants or tree. For example, for the purpose of wood gaining, the sal forest or the sal tree is best. So what they done, people cutting down whole the trees, whole the forest, and only sal tree is grown here, sal or pine or any one. So only one or two is growing in a whole forest and rest are cutting down. So in this way biodiversity also getting reduced, the variety of plants, and leads to the loss of the biodiversity. Only one type of or a one kind of plants are grown for the commercial gain or the economical gain. The next is that the global warming is a major cause for loss of biodiversity, as increase in Earth's surface temperature leads to the melting of polar ice cap. Means as what is biodiversity? The increasing temperature on the Earth's surface. When this temperature going to be so increased, then the ice from the polar ice cap is start melting and rise in the sea level. And we know this thing, when the ice is melting, then it come in the liquid form, and this liquid merge to the sea and it rise the sea level, and consequently leads to the destruction of many coastal ecosystem. And when the sea level is getting high, then it affect the aquatic life or the region which are situated nearby the beach or nearby the sea sources, nearby the water sources. So in this way, these all 5 reasons are responsible for loss of the biodiversity. Thank you class. Continuing in the next video.